Hello, good morning friends. I welcome all of you to joining me in my session. So today we will discuss about that how can we upload, how can we register our DSC digital signature on newly launched income tax portal. Most of the users are facing issue while doing the registration on a online for in income tax site. So I am come with the video that how can we prepare this, how can we register our DSC on a portal. The step is very simple, but there are some technical steps for which the users are not aware, I think. So what we have to do before logging to the income tax site, we have to download one application which is called EM Bridge. So just you have to type on the Google EM Bridge and you will see it will bring you here. Okay, and then you have to click on window. If you are a window users, click on here, install it. After installing, it will show you. After install it, just a icon would be shown on your desktop here, or if it is not available, just type mbridge. So here you can see this is the icon. Just run as an administrator. Okay, this is the one step. Second, go to login section. Okay, I am giving example with my PAN number. Okay, now what you have to do, once you enter into this profile, you have to click here my profile. It will bring you here. Here you can see register DSC. This is the section. If you are a company, the user is a company, so same thing you have to do. Click here profile section and this option will be come here. Then you have to click here. So it will ask to click this. Click yes. This is the another alternative option. Here you can click here to download the eSigner utility. It will bring you the mbridge. Download the mbridge and install it. Okay, then click continue. So here you can see if mbridge is not installed in your system, so this drop down will not be show here as it is showing in my case. So what you have to do for this? So very simple step. First of all, you have to check whether the mbridge is working on your system or not. So how can we check it? Just type mbridge, as I told you that run as an administrator. Yes. So this window will be open and here the status would be shown as a stop. So how can we convert it into the running mode? Very simple. First time if you are opening this window, try to refresh it. Once you refresh it, still it is showing the stop status. So window R and then type services.msc. Services.msc. Click on OK and one window will be open like this. Here you have to go to those section where the mbridge is showing. So E for E alphabet. Here you can see mbridge services. As in my system it is running, so you have to click on it, right click, and you have to press on the start button. Once you press the start button here, so this application would be run, and then refresh it once again and it will change its service status from stop to running. After that you have to click on cancel, back, or sometimes it's happened that you have to log in again. Close your browser, Google browser, and do it again this exercise. Same thing, log in, go to profile, register your DSC, continue, then proxy, then your signature and the password of your DSC signature. Okay, and then sign. After once you sign it, it will show this message. So guys, this is the steps by which we can register our DSC on new portal. I hope this will help you a lot. This video will help you a lot. So I will come again with the new sessions with any challenges we face while operating this income tax portal. So thank you so much to joining me and seeing my video. Thank you so much, guys.